What's up, Capstone family? This is Ed coming at you on this Friday, the 13th of October, 2023. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing if you haven't already. We send these videos out once a week just to get you a pulse as to what's happening in the market, what we're seeing, oftentimes just behind the scenes, things that are affecting us that will impact you. Hey, this week wanted to start off, we are back in more of a moderate market on the sales side. There are a few municipalities here that have hovered into the buyers markets, the fringe areas, the Maricopa, the Queen Creeks, the Buckeyes, the ones you typically expect, and then a few that have shown up, Goodyear, and a couple other areas that are now designated buyers markets based on the supply and demand. Looking at the numbers moving forward, we're at just over 12,000 houses active on the MLS right now. Going back to July, we were just over 10,000. So there's been a pretty steady increase, and we're seeing a slowdown again on supply or on demand. The struggle with that is we're also moving into the slower season, both on the rental side and the sales side. So as we approach the end of the year, we will probably see things get quite a bit slower, especially without rates changing at all or actually getting a little bit higher. On the rental side, this week looked a little bit busier than we'd seen in a couple weeks past. However, it still doesn't make up for the inventory that's currently sitting on the market. Average days when you hit the MLS is over 60 days on the market for rentals right now, which is just something else. So that being said, what we've been focusing on and something for Capstone behind the scenes, the two initiatives that you're going to be seeing the most of here in the next few months as we get to the end of the year. Leasing stuff is changing quite a bit as it's literally week to week right now with different vendors trying different things. We've had different relationships now, services that historically were good resources for us for generating leads have somewhat stalled out. So it's exploring new opportunities and figuring out new ways of where things are. Unfortunately, it's not like it used to be back in the day where we just post stuff on the MLS and they would rent out. There's just a lot of uncertainty there, which is interesting. It's a interesting place to be. Also on the maintenance side is things that we're exploring and changing and tweaking and fixing along the way, honestly. This last couple of years, and you've seen it since COVID, prices of everything seem to have gone up. And we're doing our best to stay ahead of that and making sure that our vendors are providing the service that we're expecting at a price that is reasonable. So you'll see some changes here happening from us here through the end of the year, which will help on that end as well. Should save you in the pocketbook, but also just give us more control over what's happening at your properties from a vendor standpoint and making sure that, it's getting handled. So we've heard your feedback there, and we appreciate that. Capstone Contributes is coming up. This is our annual Give Back Day. One day out of the year, we come together, fill snack bags for homeless youth through our friends at the Homeless Engagement Lift Partnership. The Homeless Engagement Lift Partnership has relationships with all of the school districts here in the Phoenix area. The school districts know which children are either at risk or homeless, and make sure that they get a snack bag through the Homeless Engagement Lift Partnership every month. Capstone Contributes is our way of bringing all our friends and vendors and everybody together, raise the money. Each dollar essentially that we raise fills a bag, goes directly to help, and then help brings all that stuff and snacks and bags and stuff out here to Capstone for the day, and we fill the bags with you. So if you can make it November 11th, or you'd like to donate, or you'd like to sponsor, please feel free to sign up. I'll have the link in this email. This is our 5th year of doing it. Super excited. We've got commitment from our friend Curtis Whipple, the DJ that was there last year. He is just next level. He is going to be there again this year, spinning some good tunes. Actually, I don't know if you spin the tunes anymore. I think it's probably just like pushing buttons, but he's still amazing. And then, so he'll be out there. And so far, we've had a couple of awesome corporate sponsors step up. Our friend at Jordan Luxury Travel, Miss Helen Jordan, thank you so much. Took down a gold sponsorship, which essentially helps 2,500 kids. And then we had our friends over at State 48 Roofing support on a gold level. No, I don't remember the levels, but they're helping about 1,000 kids. So awesome. Thanks to the both of them for kickstarting that. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you there on the 11th of November from 9 o'clock to 12:30. If you have questions about it, want to know more, feel free to call me directly. If you don't have my number, go to capstonecontributes.com. Tons of information there, videos from last year, tons of photos and pictures from everybody there last year. And it's fun, awesome way for us to be able to give back and feel like we're doing something amazing. Thank you so much. Appreciate you watching. It's going to be great. I will see you then.